Hey everyone, welcome back to Shade Review. In today's video, we are reviewing the Ray-Ban RB3532 round metal folding sunglasses. But first, I'll thank today's video sponsor, our own website, shadereviewstore.com, the absolute best place to buy designer sunglasses, up to 80% off the original MSRP. Again, our website is shadereviewstore.com. Check it out. All right, so here we can see the sunglasses are extremely small in hand, and they will actually easily fit in your top pocket if your shirt has a pocket just like that, which is really nice. And they also come with a nice small leather case as well to protect them. And this exact pair is the smallest lens size that they are produced in, which has 47mm lenses and a 20mm bridge. They also do produce these in 3 other sizes. They produce them with 50mm lens size and also a 53mm lens size. But again, here we have the smaller lens size. For my face size, I think that the 50mm standard size would probably fit a little bit better. These definitely look very small on me, especially if the beard make my face look a little bit more fatter. Again, it's gonna look better with, I think, the standard size. Now, something I do want to mention as of filming this video, Ray-Ban is currently out of stock of these frames and they may be being discontinued, so I'm not entirely sure, but I actually found this in my back inventory and realized this is like one of the only folding Ray-Ban sunglasses that I've never done a review over, and I'm sure Ray-Ban's going to bring them back at some point, so I think this video is still going to be relevant, at least for a little while, but they are relatively hard to get your hands on, and especially these smaller lens size, these are actually very hard to get your hands on. Which is unfortunate for those of you who have smaller faces. Now, what makes these frames different, of course, is the fact that they fold up. So as you guys saw earlier, they completely fold up, which is really, really nice. And they also fold in here at the bridge. Other than that, the frames are basically the exact same. They have the exact same ear rests, the exact same nose rests, and the exact same interchangeable lenses with the original round metal frames. So the folding feature is definitely really cool. I do like it. The ear rests are going to rub up against the frame here. It is kind of like a ribbed frame. So over time, it's definitely going to scratch that ear rest, which is definitely unfortunate, but you could definitely adjust those ear rests down more. But if I were to do that, these frames would not fit my face. I need them to be kind of long like this, so you know, some pros and cons there as far as that goes. Now I do want to compare these to the original round metal non-folding, and I do have an original pair right here, and they're going to look very, very similar. So here we have the folding pair with these gold frames and these mirror blue flash lenses. Now let me go ahead and pop on the standard non-folding frames, and again we can see they look very, very similar, other than of course the lens color here. And then the other big difference is actually going to be the bridge. From the side, we can see that the bridge is definitely a little bit more angular and different than the traditional style. So other than that, they are basically identical, but the bridge definitely is a little bit different here on the folding variant. Also, there is a 1 gram weight difference between the originals and the folding. The originals come in at 26 grams, and the folding variant comes in at 27 grams. That's thanks to the extra metal hardware here on the bridge and it being a little bit sturdier here for a little bit more thicker metal to make up for the bridge to make it stronger, because it is a folding bridge, so it has to be stronger to be able to handle those forces. So 1 gram of extra metal, not a big deal, and you're really not going to feel the difference there. Of course, like every pair of authentic Ray-Ban sunglasses, we're going to have a painted on Ray-Ban logo here in the top right corner of the lens for authentication purposes, and then we're also going to have an etched RB logo here in the middle left of the lens. And these frames are also going to have fully adjustable nose rests, and through the nose rest we can see a little etched RB logo there for authentication purposes. Now if we take a look here at the top bridge of the frame, we can see it does say 4720, which stands for the lens size and the bridge width of this particular pair of frames. Here in the inner left temple of the frame, we can see it says Ray-Ban made in Italy, and every single pair of these round folding sunglasses I believe are made in Italy. Then here in the inner left temple of the frames, you can see the exact model number and color code information. Now as far as the lenses goes, these are an all glass lens, and the optical clarity of these is very, very good. But because they have all glass lenses, you're definitely going to feel some discomfort here around the nose because they are relatively heavy and they don't have the best balance to them either. As you can see, they definitely are quite top heavy here, so not the most comfortable pair of frames to wear for a really long time. However, these frames are still very lightweight because they are so small, again coming at 27 grams. So even though the weight balance is pretty bad, you can still wear these for a decent amount of time without any discomfort. And of course, you can also easily take them off and put them in your pocket for protection. So that's really not a big deal either as far as the weight goes. Now, the real big deal here is going to be with the coverage. These frames offer terrible coverage from sun. So here up top, we can see a massive gap gap to let sunlight in unprotected. Then here on the side, again, we can see a massive gap that does let sunlight in unprotected. So overall, not a very practical pair of frames from Ray-Ban, but that's going to be the way it is on any pair of round sunglasses. You're going to have pretty bad coverage from the sun. As far as pricing goes, these frames are going to run you around $220, and we do have this exact pair that I have in today's video available on our website. This pair is in pretty good condition, but a couple small scratches there on the lens, a couple small nicks and scratches, nothing that really affects the vision too much. But I assume that Ray-Ban is going to bring these back at some point. So again, I figured it was worth making this quick review over this pair of frames. But overall, pretty good pair of frames. I do like these. I understand why they are getting discontinued at the moment. The Clubmaster folding is absolutely iconic, and so is the Wayfarer. Here with the round isn't really that popular anymore, and it's much harder to make a pair of folding sunglasses than it is the original Ray-Ban round. So that kind of definitely makes sense, but I'd expect them to probably bring it back sometime soon. But let me know what you think about the pair of sunglasses in the comment section down below. Do you love them? Do you hate them? What do you think about them? Let me know in the comment section down below. I'd like to hear what you guys have to say. That's all I got for in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a big thumbs up down below. And of course, make sure to hit that subscribe button and then be notified every single time I upload a brand new video just like this one to our YouTube channel. Again, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.